Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of tenses. The links for other tenses are given in the description box, so kindly check it out. Let's start with the past continuous tense, that is tense number 6. Let's see the definition of tense. The verb form that indicates the time of an event, an action or state is called tense. Definition of the past continuous tense. It is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. Let's compare different structures with the help of tabular format. Positive sentence, this is first person singular, that is I. I was preparing food. I, that is the subject, was preparing, that is called predicate or verb, food, that is an object. Here negative formation, I was not preparing food. I, subject, was, that is verb, that is called past to be form. Preparing, that is also verb, it is called V1 plus ing. V1 means main form, base form, prepare plus ing, and food, that is an object. How to turn into interrogative? So first you have to change the place of subject and auxiliary verb. So first here auxiliary verb, or you can say helping verb, or past to be form will come in the beginning. Was, that is auxiliary verb. I, subject, preparing, V1 plus ing, this is also verb, and food, that is an object. After that you have to put question mark. We, that is first person plural. We were preparing food. We, that is the subject, were preparing, verb, or you can say predicate, food, object. Negative formation, we were not preparing food. We, subject, were, auxiliary verb, or past to be form, not is given because negative construction. Preparing, V1 plus ing, and food, that is an object. Question form, were we preparing food? Just you have to change the place of auxiliary verb or past to be form and subject. So were will come in the beginning because we is used, that's why. So were, that is verb, we, subject, preparing, verb, food, object, and then put question mark. You, that is second person singular and plural, both have the same sentence formation. You were preparing food. You, subject, were preparing, verb, food, and object. You were not preparing food. This is negative construction. You, subject, were, verb, not is given because negative construction. Preparing, verb, food, object. Let's go to question form. Here just change the place of subject and verb. Were you preparing food? Were, auxiliary verb, you, subject, preparing, verb, food, object, then put question mark. He, that is third person singular. He was preparing food. He, subject, was preparing, verb, food, object. Negative formation, he was not preparing food. He, subject, was, verb, not is given because negative sentence. Preparing, verb, food, object. Let's move to interrogative formation. Was he preparing food? Here also just you have to change the place of subject and verb. Verb will come in the beginning. Was he? So was verb, he, subject, preparing, verb, food, object, then question mark. She, third person singular. She was preparing food. She, subject, was preparing, verb, food, object. Negative formation, she was not preparing food. She, subject, was verb, preparing also verb, not is given because negative sentence, food, object. Just change the place of subject and verb in interrogative form. Was she preparing food? Was, verb, she, subject, preparing, verb, food, object. Then put question mark. It. Third person singular. It was mixing the sand and the water. It subject, was mixing verb, the sand and the water object. It was not mixing the sand and the water. This is negative sentence. It subject was verb, not negative sentence, mixing verb, the sand and the water object. Now come to interrogative form. Was it mixing the sand and the water? So here just you have to change the place of verb and subject and rest of the things will be the same. Was verb, it subject, mixing verb, the sand and the water object. Then put question mark. They, third person plural. They were preparing food. They subject, were preparing verb, food object. Negative formation. They were not preparing food. They subject, were verb, not is given because negative formation. Preparing verb, food object. Let's go to interrogative formation. Were they preparing food? Were, verb, they, subject, preparing, verb, food, object, and then put question mark. Let's see more examples. First, the plane was landing. So here in past continuous tense, you have to use this structure. Past means you have to use was or were according to the subject. Here third person singular is given, the plane. That is why was is given, and continuous tense means V1 with ing will come. That is why land and ing, that is landing. Second, it was raining yesterday evening. Was raining. Third one, you were watching a movie last night. Were watching. You is given, that is why were you have to write. So you were V1 plus ing. So watch plus ing, watching. They were beating the dog. Were beating. Okay, now see, here we have to learn two more construction. First with when and second with while. So first we will do with when. When you use this when in the past continuous tense, then here with when always use simple past tense, and immediately after that putting comma you have to use past continuous tense. With when you cannot use past continuous tense. So here example is mentioned. When I saw him. So that is V2 form. That is simple past tense. After putting comma you have to use this past continuous tense. That is he was playing chess. So was playing. That is related to past continuous tense. Next formation with while. When you use while in any sentence, immediately after while you have to use past continuous tense. For example, he came while we were having lunch. So he came. Here V2 form is used. Immediately after putting while, you have to write past continuous tense, that is given. We were having lunch. So were having. So these two are introduced here, when and while. With when always put V2 form, means with when always you have to use simple past, and with while you have to use past continuous tense. She was washing the dishes when the phone rang. See here when, that is why rang and not rung is given and not ringing is given. V2 form is given. We were learning Spanish last year. Were learning. So this is the example of the past continuous tense. I saw your cat a few minutes ago. It was playing in the lawn. Let's see some usages with examples. First usage, to describe describe parallel action, you have to use this past continuous tense. For example, the light went out while I was reading. So while, immediately after while, whatever sentence comes, it will be in only past continuous tense. To describe parallel action, here it is given. Second usage, to describe what someone was doing at a particular time. For example, I was working in the lab all day. So here describing working, right, in the lab all day. So particular time is mentioned in the past. That is why past continuous tense is given. To describe repetition and irritation, you can use this tense. For example, she was always complaining in the class. That's all for today. We have already completed this past continuous tense and we will meet soon in my next video. So bye for now.